We're still at the hospital because Jack set his ass on fire again. Yes guys, it's Environment and today we'll be doing a special video. It's the first one doing this video and it will be super fun. So I will be reading text messages sent by French people to the wrong person. So first of all, this is quite funny to me because I've always thought of French people to be conservative, and as such I wouldn't expect them to send some of the messages that I saw. But in any case guys, let's get on with it. Your dad just died. It's been a while. He's been buried since 1994. Ah, that's disgusting. You could have just said that it was the wrong number. No, you are disgusting. If someone's father dies, then this person deserves a phone call. Not an old text message, not a simple text message. Like seriously, you know, and this message was quite interesting because I agree with the person. If someone dies, give me a phone call. Come meet me in person. Don't send me a stupid message. So yeah, kudos to you.
Good job!
Alright, so this one is from Jason. I'm at the sperm bank. It's too gloomy here. Send me a photo of your breast so I can ejaculate and get out of here. Being your aunt, I should tell you that this is a little bit weird. Oh mon dieu, oh my god, no. It was for Allison. It was for Allison, I'm sorry. This only happens to... These sort of things only happen to people like me. Please ignore this. Lol. Good luck. Okay. This is so uncomfortable. I mean, if I said, oh, first of all, that's why you should always double check your messages. I don't think this has ever happened to me, but this would be, oh my god, ooh la la. Oof. Hey beautiful lady, how are you doing? When do you plan to come to California? It's Brian. The stripper from Louisiana, who danced at Carmen's soiree. I'm pretty sure you have the wrong number, friend. I'm not really a beautiful woman or a beautiful lady. Don't say that. Let me be a little bit clear, or let me be clear. I'm a man.
NANI?
Alright, so while it might not be haha funny, it is interesting because once when I was in high school, a friend of mine, I won't say his name, he talked to this girl and she gave him a number. And we were like, oh yeah, as teenage boys, we were like, yeah, my boy, yeah. So we were quite excited. And when he called the number, it was actually for a funeral home. So that was pretty funny. So this one resonates a little bit. Hello, it's Sister Marie. Father Paul said that he wanted to return your book. I haven't spoken to him since the last time he touched me in an appropriate manner, and he said that this is our little secret. So, I mean, I should be laughing, that is not, I don't condone that, I should be laughing, but it was just funny. I sent that to the wrong number. I will pray for you. It's not worth it. I'm atheist. Have a good day. Why did you break up with Danny? Because she tried to lick my anus once, okay? And you know, my friend, that's not my thing. Okay? What? Seriously? Oh my god. Nah, I'm joking, you have the wrong number. Alright, so that was actually funny. That was actually funny. These people have a sense of humor, that was actually funny. Oh my god, okay. Okay. Hey Jessica, I'm alone. Can you send me a picture? I think you've made a mistake with the number. You have the wrong number. But here you go nonetheless. Oh my god, thank you. Okay, don't say anything to Jessica, please. Okay, so first of all, while this lady was fun playing along, this guy is a, you know, oh my god, he shouldn't be soliciting pictures from, well, he didn't ask for it technically once he found out who it was. She sent it nonetheless, but yeah, he shouldn't have thanked her for that. I mean, like, wait on Jessica, you greedy bastard. Anyways, if my family asks you, you're my roommate or housemate, I really can't bother with the old coming out thing now. Okay, and should I also pretend to have not seen this? And should I continue to pretend that I didn't know since you were 5? Okay, good. This isn't exactly what I had imagined or had expected. Okay. I'm looking forward to see your roommate or housemate. Hugs and kisses. Alright, so this was this was quite interesting. Okay, so this is quite interesting. You know what they say, parents always know. And the sister too. Alright, good. Anyways, let's move on. So imagine how uncomfortable this would have been if he didn't know that his mom received and then he went there pretending, and that would have been too droll. Okay, we're still at the hospital because Jack set his ass on fire again. Wrong number, but keep me up to date. Excuse me? No, seriously, I want to know everything. Alright, I think I agree with this guy because I would have said the same thing too. How did Jack, or was it Jake? Oh my bad, Jake set his ass on fire. Of course I do want to know. Keep me updated on the tea. Oh, I have no cup. Yeah, I think I would want to know that too, but that was quite funny. Okay, good. How could you do this to me? I trusted you, and you cheated on me.
Get man pan him, pet the house and land and run it.
Alright, so for those who don't know, the Jamaican word bun simply means to cheat on someone. Alright, so I'm not condoning cheat for cheat. No, I'm not condoning that. Anyways, oops, sorry, Dad. That was a Paul. Oh, I see. A question. It has nothing to do with your message. You know where my gun is? You know what Papa gonna do. We know what you gonna do. Okay, let's move on. Hey, beautiful. How are you doing today? I'm good. But I would have preferred if you would have brought me some croissant this morning. What? What's this? Okay. Okay, so I'm done. You have the wrong number, but it was rather good to feel beautiful. Okay, I mean, I can definitely resonate with this guy. I think it's a guy. I mean, if someone message me and say, hey, beautiful, how are you? I'd be like, oh, I'm fine, you know? It's nice to have someone give you a good morning compliment. Who wouldn't like that? Alright guys, so that ends it for my video. I hope you really enjoyed that. Just to make an important point here, as you would have noticed, the text messages were in French, as you could have seen here, and I simply translated them in English in real time for you guys. So what I'd like to say is this, that shows the importance of learning a foreign language or just languages in general, because you have a wider entertainment scope and you can enjoy jokes not only in your culture, not only in your language, but in other languages as well. So why not go out and see how the Spanish joke, how the French joke, and how other people joke. And with that said guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up. And if you've not already subscribed to my channel, or if you're simply new here, just hit that subscribe button and tap the notification bell. And yeah, share to a friend. I'll see you next week. Ciao, ciao.
Good job!